In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram on your PC. So normally works on your telephone, press Instagram, and if you want to upload a picture, you press on plus. But if you go to your computer screen, you will notice there is no plus anywhere. So what you do is this. You give a right click on your mouse, and the very last one is inspect. Right, in mine it's written in Polish, but in English it's written inspect, and in other languages it probably is the last position, or Control Shift plus I. Right, so let's click on that now, and you'll see you've got this computer sort of stuff here, and you've got your Instagram there now in in Android or telephone format. Now what you do, there's up the top up here, yeah, you see that? It says Elements, Console, Sources, Network, but on the left hand side of Elements there's a funny little shape which looks like two boxes, or a hangman like shape, or a something like that. And let's just now click on that. One click, second click, two clicks. It has worked for me on one click, and you'll see we still haven't got anything there. Now what we do, refresh the screen, and bang, there at the bottom we've got the plus. And now if we want, click on that, and I can upload a picture from, there's my motorhome for example, upload my motorhome, and just continue like that if I so desire. Now I haven't yet worked out how to put mass pictures up doing this, but I'm sure there's a way, and if you know, write it down below. So thanks very much. I hope you found that of use, and if I ever find anything else out useful, I'll post that.